So I'm about to do something that I never thought that I would do in a million years. I'm on my way to Tim Hortons to get pizza. Yep, that is right. Tim Hortons, that Canadian treasure, like that does coffee and pastries and like Tim Hortons is like as Canadian as it gets. And Tim Hortons is coffee. I am a pizza person. Pizza is my go-to comfort food. That's my favorite comfort food. So just saying it sounds crazy that I'm going to go to Tim Hortons, a coffee place. Just imagine, like, say, you're going to Starbucks to get like a burger. That's how crazy and ridiculous it sounds. But Tim Hortons is Tim Hortons, and there's no such thing as a empty Tim Hortons anywhere in Canada. So Tim Hortons get to try the craziest of stuff, and they decide that, we're gonna make pizza. So that is crazy, and it just sounds crazy coming out of my mouth, but we're about to find out. So on my way to Tim Hortons to get some pizza. To add to that, I'm from the Caribbean, and Caribbean folks, I think of anywhere else in the world, Caribbean people are very particular when it comes on to their food, and we're crazy when it comes on to food. And just to give you an example, like I'm a chef. Like, I operated a restaurant for roughly 6 years, and like I would make, even not just in my restaurant space, like even at home, and when we have like people over, like I would make like macaroni pie, which is one of those delicacy that's tied to the Eastern Caribbean, like St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago. So people knowing me as a Jamaican, they'll come over and they'll see like macaroni pie, and they're like, who made this? And I'm like, I made a macaroni pie. And there's no way like a Jamaican can make a macaroni pie. Like, I'm not eating macaroni pie from a Jamaican. That's like a Eastern Caribbean thing. So that's how particular Caribbean folks are with food. Like, people, you go to a Jamaican restaurant or a Caribbean restaurant here in Toronto, and you see like roti or doubles, and you're like, where's the chef from? And you're like, oh, the chef is from like Jamaica or Barbados, and it's like, no, like if he's not Trini, I'm not having that doubles. Yeah, and I've also seen people from the Caribbean, I think Africa to a lesser extent, but from the Caribbean, that would come to Canada and would go like to try to go to restaurants and stuff like that, and they'll refuse to try things new, like to try like pasta and to try all of those type of stuff, Italian, French cuisine. So we are very, very, very particular when it comes on to what we eat. So yeah, so as I said, like, it sounds crazy like going to Tim Hortons to have pizza, but Tim Hortons is one of those places, as I said, the line is always long, and I guess because it's Canadian pride. It's one of the things that Canada is known for more than anything else. We're not a big culinary nation, but in terms of the coffee and the maple syrup and stuff like that, and hockey, everything tied into one, that's Tim Hortons. So, and to add to that, Tim Hortons is also very affordable. So they get to try everything. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. You see it on the menu for like 2 months. If it doesn't work, they'll just throw it away and try something new. So I guess now they're trying pizza. So, yep, I'm gonna go in and try some pizza, and I'll give you my honest feedback about it. So, yep, Tim Hortons and pizza. Doesn't make sense, but it is what it is. Yep, so I just pulled into the Tim Hortons. It's a rainy type of day, so hopefully it's not too busy. Especially the drive-thru. The drive-thru is always busy. Even so, more than the restaurant, because a lot of people just drive in and grab their coffee to go. So it's always busy. There it is, the drive-thru. Busy, busy, busy. Okay. Let me show you what it looks like. Yes, so it's actually called a flatbread pizza. Not sure. Oh, I see chicken parmesan. That seems interesting. Well, bacon and everything, pepperoni. So let's see what it tastes like. Tim Hortons pizza. Hello.
Hi.
How are you? I want to try one of the pizza today. How much is it for the chicken?
The chicken part?
Chicken parmesan.
Did you want to dip with that? Or ketchup, ranch? Comes with it.
Ranch.
Ranch.
What else do you have apart from
We
that?
have chipotle, cilantro lime, habanero, mayo, barbecue.
Which one is the spiciest?
I would say the habanero.
Okay, I'll take that one.
Maybe 10-15.
And you have like the frozen lemonade?
Frozen lemonade?
Yeah, so I'll take one.
What size?
Medium.
And did you want to buy a smile cookie today?
No.
Is that everything for you?
Yes.
$13.85.
Thank you. Okay, so they have the smile cookies and the pizza. Okay guys, here it is. Tim Hortons chicken parmesan pizza with some habanero, spicy habanero, some lemonade. This is $13. I guess not too bad, but the proof is in the taste, so let's see what it tastes like. It's a flatbread pizza. It's like a personal size pizza, not very big, like big enough for one person. This is what it looks like. Try it alone without the sauce, and then very flavorful. And as the dough stated, it tastes more like a bread dough than a pizza dough, which I guess is not a bad thing. Like, you know, you go to Pizza Hut and you get like the cheese, the garlic breadstick and stuff like that, similar to that with chicken on top. So not bad. Now I'm gonna try it with the sauce. Spicy habanero. Spicy but manageable, not too spicy. It's almost like a spicy Thousand Island dressing, you know, full of flavor, adds flavor to the pizza, very delicious. So I think it complements the pizza very well. So not bad, you know, for a coffee place to do pizza. Not bad, not bad. I'll give it a thumbs up. Okay, so just finished my Tim Hortons pizza. I'm happy I kind of beat the lunch rush because the schools in the area, like kids just came over and now it's like crazy inside. So yep, my Tim Hortons frozen lemonade. So I must say, like, I would say it's something that they could probably keep on the menu. A lot of new things that Tim Hortons have tried over the past couple of years have been like a failure. Not just Tim Hortons, like Burger King, McDonald's, they have keep trying a lot of stuff. A lot of them are failures. Like, for example, they have some new breakfast omelette that the omelette is pretty much made and frozen. There's no way that can be a good breakfast. McDonald's have the same thing. They have like a new breakfast burrito with eggs and pork and bacon in there. So like I went in one morning to say like, okay, let me try this. Can I have it without the bacon? They're like, nope. It's wrapped. Everything is pre-packaged and pre-wrapped. So there's no way that can be good. The thing about this pizza now is that they actually make it from scratch. Chicken is separate, cheese is separate, bread is separate, sauce is separate. So I think this is something that could stay on the menu. It's not, if you are like a die-hearted pizza lover, like it's not like a real pizza, but you know, just to grab a quick bite and you want something that tastes like a pizza, it is okay. So like for that, I'll give it maybe like a 6 out of 10. It's affordable. It's something like a personal size pizza. You grab it, it fills a gap, you know, you eat and you run. So have you ever tried the Tim Hortons pizza? You know, leave it in the comment section. Let me know like if it's something that if your thoughts are similar, like you think it's okay, like it's something that it's not like authentic pizza but it can pass, or if you think it's totally garbage. Just leave it in the comment section and let me know how you feel. And please remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel and help us grow as, you know, I continue my journey going around trying different food and also our travel videos. So for now, I'm gonna say thank you and peace. I'm out.